Okay. Hey there, beautiful people. So today is gonna be a little bit of a different video. Oh my gosh, my cat's going insane. Just ignore him. So a lot of you guys have been asking me to show my makeup collection, which, oh my gosh. Hey guys, what's up? So as you guys can see, today is gonna be a little bit of a different video. I don't have my background set up or anything like that because we are gonna be doing a vlog, and not just any vlog. So a lot of you guys been telling me that you wanna see my makeup collection, and I've been kind of putting it off because I don't have this desk that I want or the storage. And so I was gonna wait until I got those items, but in order to get those items, I kind of need to see what I'm working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize everything like by category and stuff like that. So I thought I might as well show you guys what I'm doing and just like hang out with you because I don't know, I just want you guys to get to know me a little bit better. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so this is what my makeup collection is looking like as of right now. As you can see, it's a big hot mess. So I have this desk that I built. It just has the IKEA 5 drawers and the tabletop. I have a video on it if you guys do want to see it. It is pretty relevant still, but like I said, I might get a new desk, so just forget about that. But anyways, I have a big hot mess on the top. As you guys can see, I want to get rid of all this makeup on top. I want to have like a clean workspace, you know, and plus I have a lot of brushes up here, and this kitty over here sheds a lot and gets his hair all over my makeup brushes, which is probably really unsanitary. So I first want to start with clearing all of this stuff out, but then we can move on to the drawers. And as you guys can see, I have a lot of makeup in here too, but it's not very organized. Actually, it's probably not organized at all anymore. I have like concealers with eyeliners and mascaras, and I kind of just want to have like a drawer full of concealers and powder, and then you get my gist, right? So first we're going to start with this tabletop right here. So this is what the desk is looking like now. I took mostly everything off and kind of organized it. So over here is like the biggest pile. We have all my lipsticks, and then brushes over there, setting sprays, primers, and foundations, and then some palettes that were up here. These are not all my palettes, but these are just the ones that I use like on an everyday basis kind of, and then body products, which is very, very small. Now that I have everything like separated into categories, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with all these lip products, guys, because there's like no way to organize it to where like you could either put it in like one big container and then like have to dig through everything, or you could have it color coordinated, or you could have them in these, but these are so annoying because they get super dirty in the inside and like dusty. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but for now, I guess I'm just gonna go through like all the lipsticks, see what I wanna keep, what I wanna get rid of, and then just like dust them off because these are really dusty and like dirty. So yeah, I guess I'll just do that for now. So how have you guys been in quarantine? I've just been doing like a lot of this kind of stuff. Working on my social media. Like for me, it's actually a good thing. I mean, obviously like this whole pandemic is not good, but for me, it has been working out because I've been having time, or I've had time to work on YouTube and like TikTok and stuff like that. I mean, I have my days where I get up and I'm like, oh my God, like I don't want to do anything. I want to be lazy. But for the most part, I've been more productive because I do want to like take advantage of having this extra time, because usually I have to work full time, so I'm not really here that much. So it's been kind of cool because it's like a taste of if I was like a full-time YouTuber, which hopefully will happen very, very soon. But for now, I'm just gonna have to like be appreciative of the time I do get to spend at home and everything. But as for work though, I'm definitely gonna have to file for unemployment just because I cannot not work, you know? I have to support myself. And like I said, like when I do hauls and stuff, I'm gonna try to cut back. Christian actually got a job at Amazon because he was trying to get a new job before this all happened, and then it happened, and then that job like froze everything. They were like, oh, we're just gonna wait. And he was kind of like, what the heck is going on? Like, what am I gonna do? So he applied for Amazon and he started like a couple days ago. So now I've been here alone, so I'll probably have more time to film. Just because like when Christian's here, I always just like want to spend time with him and I don't want to like do work, you know? But yeah, and my cat is still getting into everything. So I'm taking a break from cleaning those lipsticks because it got really boring, and to be honest, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with those lipsticks after, but I have these new containers that I got from IKEA, and they're pretty deep, which I like for like foundations, concealers, primers, that kind of thing. And so I haven't even used them. Let's try them out, shall we? if I could get them unstuck. I only got 2 because I didn't know how much I needed. My primers, I don't have much. I guess some of my favorites, like I love the primerizer. The new Tatcha one I've been loving. Oh, I love this Soul. What is this called? Touch and Soul. I love this one for pores. I pretty much love all of these. Like if I don't like them, I end up giving them away. So these are all really good primers. Let's see how much will fit in here. Oh gosh, not much, I don't think. I just don't know how to organize things, guys. To 1. Oh yeah, I love that. This one is basically empty. I don't know why this is here. All the primers ended up fitting in that container really nicely. So I'm gonna try to put all my foundations in this one. Some of these are really old, but I'll use them for like Halloween looks. So I have like all kinds of different colors of foundation, but most of them are my favorites. So let's see how much we could fit in here. We'll do like all the tubes in one like we did the primers. Oh my gosh, please stay. Then this one, these one. Okay. For the, we'll try to put the smaller ones in here. Will they fit? No, kind of. I don't know. Yeah, that one fits. I don't think I want to put the foundations in here anymore because they're not like fitting as good as the like primers did. So I'm gonna try putting concealers in here instead because I actually have my concealers in this drawer right here, but as you guys can see, they're like overflowing. So it'll probably fit better in this one. So we just did a mixture of both because I ended up having room because I don't have that much concealers. So these 3 are all concealers. Then we have small foundations and then tube foundations. And I have like all my glass foundations left, which I will probably have like in another kind of container, but I wanted to keep at least all complexion together. And so we are getting somewhere, guys. Alrighty guys, I think that's all I'm gonna be doing for the makeup collection today, just because I have a lot more to do and I thought I was gonna be able to do it all in one video, but that is a no. But yeah, I'm just tired of doing it for today. I just wanna like relax now. I'm actually pretty hungry. I haven't ate all day. Oh my God, like I don't want to do anything. I wanna be lazy. And Christian's bringing In and Out when he gets off of work, which I'm really freaking excited about. Haven't ate nothing all day because I don't know, I've just been busy. I feel like I've been really productive, which is good. And yeah, so I hope that you guys like this video. I feel kind of weird now because it's not really a makeup collection video, it's more like a vlog. But I would show you the rest of my day just so you guys could have like an actual vlog. But like I said, all I'm gonna be doing is eating and relaxing for the rest of the day, so it's kind of boring. But let me know if you guys want me to continue, you know, doing this makeup collection, like kind of declutter with you guys. I could also like show you whenever I get like my new desk and the new storage and everything. But that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. Like I said, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up so I can know to keep doing these. Please ignore my nails, by the way. Oh my gosh, I tried doing them at home and this is the only color I had, and this is like not spring and they're already chipping. But anyways, I love you guys so much. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe. I post 3 videos a week and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.